Welcome sa ating channel mga kaibigan. We are here for the battle of the whites.
Oh yeah.
Recently, most of the builds na nakita ko is a white build, and I think it's a perfect time also to have this new chassis na white din yung color scheme. So maraming naglabasan recently. For the past 3 months, merong lumabas kaagad na tatlong white chassis na pagpipilian in terms of bang for the buck price. So meron dyan yung Deepcool Matrexx 55 ARGB na merong variant na nasa 2,200 plus lang, walang kasamang fans. So it's really cheap. And it comes also with this variant na merong mga kasamang CF120 fans and nasa 3,000 plus. And then merong sumunod, the Bitfenix Enso mesh, which is nasa 4,000 plus price point. And lately, merong lumabas na INWIN 103, cheaper chassis compared to the 303. Medyo mas mura, nasa 3,000 plus lang mga kaibigan. Supposedly, this is just an INWIN 103 review, pero I chose to compare it with other brands, Deepcool Matrexx and Bitfenix Enso mesh. Okay, so wala nang masyadong maraming satsat. Let's do this and let the battle begin. Ayun po yung result mga kaibigan, and you've seen the builds with different chassis, Deepcool Matrexx, INWIN, and Bitfenix. So, kayo na po yung magde-decide. Pero before you have your own decision or before you will say or comment down below kung ano yung napili nyong clear winner between those three casings, let me show you first or let me share you first my feedback between these casings. In terms of aesthetics, I will go for the INWIN kasi kakaiba yung orientation niya. It's not the common chassis na makikita mo sa market. So if you want to be a guy with casing na medyo kakaiba, and kadalasan naman sa atin or marami sa atin talaga yung parang ganun yung preference na parang gusto ko ako lang yung may damit na ganito, gusto ko ako lang yung may ganitong gamit. So, if you want that kind of setup, you may go with the INWIN 103 kasi medyo may head turner orientation po siya. And for the performance, of course, very obvious naman yung benchmark na natin ang nagpakita that the Bitfenix clearly wins this category. Kasi nga, mesh yung harap niya, kaya nga it's a Bitfenix Enso mesh. In terms of clearance, I think the Deepcool Matrexx 55 clearly wins in this category. Kasi nga, it also made this chassis came close with the Bitfenix Enso mesh na hindi ka pwedeng mag-install ng top mount radiator. So, yun po yung naging problema sa Bitfenix Enso mesh. Perfect na sana siyang chassis. In terms of performance, clearance, and looks, kung favorite mo yung ganung looks or gusto mo yung itsura niya, it may clearly win this match between this INWIN and Deepcool. But the part na medyo kulang siya sa carouts and hindi ka pwedeng mag-install ng radiator sa top, dun po nalaglag yung Bitfenix Enso mesh. And for the INWIN naman, ang naging problema natin dyan, if you have seen the video or you can go back with the video, medyo tinali natin yung radiator hose. Kasi nga medyo kulang or nabitin siya. So ang sagwa na tingnan kung hindi ko siya iki-cable tie para medyo magpantay ng konti. So yun, medyo may problema in terms of choice pagdating sa radiator. So before you will go with INWIN 103, kung meron ka ng AIO, better check your AIO length kung compatible siya with the INWIN 103 or else you will end up compromise in terms of installation. Though pwede pa rin namang mag-install pero masagwa nga lang tingnan. So if you will be going for INWIN 103, be sure na yun din yung time na bibili ka rin ng AIO or yung AIO na gamit mo ngayon is mahaba yung hose niya. So I think some or most of the brands naman medyo mahahaba yung hose, pero may mga other brands or other models na medyo maiksi yung hose niya or sakto lang yung hose niya. So medyo magkakaproblema ka with the INWIN 103. So that's it mga kaibigan. It's up to you to decide. It's all about aesthetics, clearance, and performance ang tingnan nyo para mas ma-judge nyo kung ano talaga ang casing na mas maganda or mas prefer nyo or mas suited para sa inyo mga kaibigan. Pero all of these casings are medyo may kanya-kanyang strength naman mga kaibigan. And in terms of performance, hindi naman masyadong nagkakalayo yung temperature difference. So, magpo-fall down na lang sa own preference yung mga kaibigan. Kung anong pipiliin nyo, kung anong sa tingin nyo rin ang panalo. So, anyway, to contribute with the community, of course, better if you will comment down below kung sa tingin nyo ay panalo ito or panalo itong casing na to. So, that's it mga kaibigan. And if gusto nyo yung mga ganito pang klase ng videos, just hit like and subscribe and comment down below. That's it, and thank you.